I wonder if I changed my number. Would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we
Paper
could
bag.
talk, but we don't. We spent
Alright, so
summer swimming in the sunset. Technicolor, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is January 17 and it's a Friday and the time now is 1:26. Supposedly, bumabiyahe na dapat ako papuntang Manila pero nandito pa rin ako sa bahay dahil ang dami ko pang kailangang gawin. Hindi ko pa pala nasasabi sa inyo. Kaya ako pupunta ng Manila kasi tomorrow na yung kasal ni Chelo. Kung napanood niyo yung last vlog natin, nagkaroon kami ng surprise bridal shower for her. And tomorrow na nga yung kasal niya. So I'm really excited. And kaya ako pupunta ng Manila today na kasi naka-check-in kami or mag-check-in kami sa hotel kung nasan yung bride. Dahil tomorrow sobrang early ng call time namin for hair and makeup and photo shoot with the bride dahil I've been chosen as one of the bridesmaid. So I'm really grateful. Chels, thank you so much for choosing me and for allowing me to be part of your entourage. Sobrang excited ako and I'm excited to see you na naka-wedding gown na. And ayun nga, going back, napili tayo bilang isa sa mga bridesmaid kaya kailangan nandun kami ng maaga. Ako, hindi ako magpapa-hair and makeup because I'm gonna make up myself. I will be doing my own makeup tomorrow as well as my hair. So kami ni Kate magtutulungan lang kami. Hi guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa hotel and lalabas lang kami para mag-withdraw tsaka mag-dinner kasi hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. Dito na si EJ! Hi! Ayan. So, katapat lang namin ng Mega Mall actually. There. So, maglalakad kami papuntang Mega Mall and i-update ko na lang kayo. Sabi mo?
ganito pala sa Maynila.
Ayan.
At puno ng mga lalaki. Wala bang lalaki?
Kaya na nga, nasa elevator kami ni Kate, may afam agad eh. Ayoko na makawasak doon. No? Uy, kanto lang pala Starbucks to. Ayan no, in fairness.
Malayo ba, ma'am? Di ba malapit to?
Nadaanan ko eh kanina. Ayan yata, di ba hindi ba yan yung pagtawid?
Ang po katabi na ito eh. Ay, Wolfgang na.
Wolfgang na lang kaya.
Diyan. Saan ba? Tayo? Manang? Hindi, wait. Papalista na tayo. Magkano nga dyan? Isang ano?
7K.
7K.
Papromo mo. Pero yung burger nila parang 300 plus lang. Tara, burger na lang tayo. Isang water. May Thai ba to? Thai restaurant pala siya. Ito tayo.
Sige. Try lang. Try lang natin.
What if?
Please, we tried.
Sabi ko. Hindi mo siya kilala? Si Kiteki?
Siguro kilala ko pero hindi ko alam yung pangalan.
Yung I want that. Thanks, Kiteki. For your wife?
Nag-live send
Sabi
siya.
ko. Siguro parang puro inumin yung nainom ko. Ay, nakikita ko. Beverages.
Yayamanin siya.
Parang gusto ko ng ano, manam.
Gusto nyo lang magmanang?
Yung nag-check ka na naman. Parang gusto ko pa na ng manam.
Parang ayoko na pala.
Meron kami, Moms, noong December. Nagmamalis kami magbabarkada. Tapos may isang branch ng bagong branch ng Mamalos. Tapos parang premiere siya. Premiere version ng regular. Tapos ang pagtingin namin ng menu, halos pareho. Pero yung presyo, parang ang laki ng difference talaga. Pero talaga kami hiya, Moms. Umalis, lumipat kami sa kabilang branch.
Ba't wala yung sa picture dun?
Ha? Magwala ka, sabi mo, wala yung nasa picture.
Kanina ko pa mga nakasampo mo. Pinagbabago na lang. Gusto mo kayo, yung totoo.
Ha? Wala kaming gusto. Wala kaming gusto, Kate. Wala kaming gusto. Nahanap ko yung chicken skin. Para masatisfy yung cravings.
Angry pasta.
Rar.
Pag sinerve to. Wala yung chicken na namin sa picture. Chicken rice.
Sino yung binigay sa akin? Beverages. Ano mo tingin nila? Nagda-diet ako. Pero ang kukit lang ng mga cocktail. Ito.
Yan
Ayan.
pala.
That's for lunch only. Ano ka, one? Parang ang sarap din kasi parang gusto ko magpaday pero...
Gusto mo tag-isa tayo.
Ano tig-isa?
Set 1 and 6. Wow!
Dalawa order.
Hindi mag-sharing tayong pad thai. Kung walang magpa-pad thai.
Oh, order tayo ng separate na paday.
Gusto niyo ba mag-pad thai? Okay lang. Pero ba? Lang, hindi isyong pera. 15th month na.
Money is not an issue. Later na lang natin i-deal. Money is not an issue. Yung isasabit ko, hindi ko na isasabit.
Ang pagmamahal.
Oo, pagmamahala lang talaga.
Ina-announce pa naman yung friends naman nila, Ron and Cello.
Ah,
Tapos
walang tumatayo.
Ano ko kayo? Tapos letter na lang yung isa.
Dear Cello, pag naka-LL, bawi na lang kami. May spring roll din pala siya, no? Sige, set 1 na lang din ako. Tapos order na lang tayo ng isang bilao. Charing. Ambers pala. Good morning, everyone. Today is January 18 and it's Shella's wedding day and bakit kami sa room niya? Wow, bare face! Nakabahan na ako ma-meet yung bride. Ay, wala pa pala. Ito na, 28 na, guys.
Wow!
Wow! 2805. Oh, ito. Ay, ito. Ito. Ay, ito. Tapos mali na dobelan natin ang aga-aga.
Hi, Mom.
Good morning. Hello, good morning.
May ganyan ba sa room niyo?
Hello. Hair ko lang. Sa dalawa.
Gaga? Masyado namang halata.
Ay, hindi pa ba akong halata?
Nagpo-project.
Changing from a movie scene to made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Ron Vincent, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Chelo May na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father. Chelo, susuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Ron Vincent, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Ron Vincent and Chelo May Codilla. Ngayon ay gaganapin nila yung first kiss after the marriage.
Ready to kiss your wife? Lakasan mo. Are you ready? Yon! If you're ready, kiss your wife now. 1. How are you related to Chelo? Kaano-ano na?
She's my best friend for 17 years.
Oh my God. Alright, I'd like you to give your heartfelt well wish for your best friend, your new best friend.
Alright, so Chelo. Iyak ba tayo? Chelo and Ron, congratulations. So, I know that you know that we thought that this day would not come. But here it is now. When I met Chelo, very short, I'll make it short because everyone's hungry. Yeah, when I met Chelo, she didn't have the confidence. She said that, oh, I'm not so beautiful. Hindi ako magaling. But together with Ron, she was able to build her confidence. That's how they complement each other. And then, right now, diba? As we can see how beautiful she is. And actually, one guest told me, yung guard daw said, wow, ang ganda ni Bride. Kamukha ni Marian Rivera. That level. So she's really beautiful. And then, at the same time, Chels, I know that in the future, you're gonna be very, very wonderful parents to your future children. Because I can see it in the way that you take a look at my kids. Ano, naiyak na ako. I can see how you take a look at Alonzo and Lucy. No matter how tired you are, you always make sure you make time for them, to play with them. Lalo na si Ron. Kahit yung tawag nila is monster. But you really, really take the time off. So siguro, one, what do you call this? one request for everyone here tonight is to pray for this couple. Pray that they will be given kids because they're gonna be very wonderful parents in the future. Hopefully, mamayang gabi. Start na agad. Alright. So yun lang. Congratulations. So, hindi nagkatotoo, Cello, yung tayo yung dalawa yung forever. Because now you have Ron. And of course, you have me and everyone here who loves you very much. Well said.
Hi guys! Ngayon ko na lang kayo na-update ulit simula ng wedding kasi na-busy tayo and hopefully yung mga clips na nakunan ko napagdugtong-dugtong ko ng maayos kasi hindi ko alam kung may context ba yung mga clips na nakunan ko. But anyway, kung nandito na kayo sa part na to, most likely napagdugtong-dugtong ko naman siya ng maayos. And today, naisipan ko mag-vlog because I wanna do a quick haul of the things that I got from the wedding. Yung regalo sa amin ni Ma'am Chels kasi kaming mga bridesmaid, binigyan niya ng regalo. And then yung mga prizes na nakuha ko during the wedding. Like yung mga pag-games nila. So may mga nakuha tayong premyo. But before that, I just wanna quickly share with you how happy I was during the wedding. Sobrang saya ko because yung wedding ni Ma'am Chels, sobrang ganda niya. It was a beautiful wedding. I'm really, really happy for the couple. Sobrang amazed ako and proud ako kung ano yung kinalabasan nung kasal nila. Sobrang masayang-masaya ako for them. Ma'am Chels and Ron, congratulations again. I'm praying na maging happy yung marriage nyo. Pinagpipray ko din na magkaroon na kayo ng chikitings na mga cute na mga bata. Dahil excited na ako makita na meron na kayong sarili nyong baby. Pero no pressure. Just take your time. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy being a married couple. So, yeah. Congratulations again. And I'm so happy talaga for the both of you. Mag-proceed na tayo sa haul kasi humahaba na naman ang chika ko. So, ito yung paper bag nung regalo sa amin ni Ma'am Chels. Yung unang-una kong i-share sa inyo ay itong napanalunan ko sa isa sa mga games. This is from Hiwaga Essentials. It's a body and pillow mist. Oh, may melatonin sleep blend siya. Ayan, ito siya. And then the next one, actually nilabas ko na siya. Nandito na siya. This is a ceramic stuff. So let's unbox this. Oh, it's a bowl. Ang cute. Look at that. And then the other one, ay, mas bet ko to. I love it. Look at that. So yan, napanalunan ko din sa games. Ayan yung pinasayaw kami ng tala. Now, let's proceed with the next one. So ito yung parang pag-giveaway nila. It's like a leather case. May black version din ito, but yung nakuha ko is color white. And now, let's proceed with the gifts. So yung first ay parang room slippers. Dapat kasi gagamitin namin ito sa shoot pero hindi namin nagamit. And then, she also gave me itong shades na very cutesy. Diba? Lahat kami naka-shades. Tapos, ang galing ni Ma'am Chels kasi inakma niya sa mga mukha namin yung shades. So, iba-iba kami and ang galing niya mamili kung ano yung bagay sa face shape namin. So, I'm really happy about this one. She also gave us some skincare product. Ayan, mga face mask. Mga wedding essential to na hindi namin nagamit. Ayan siya. May face mask. Tapos ito ay parang tea. Tea pala siya. And then next, binigyan niya kami ng scrunchie. Ayan, color black. Yeah, I think last but not the least, ay of course, itong sleepwear. Ayan, binigyan niya tayo ng sleepwear. So yeah, I think that is it for this haul. And yeah, I just wanna quickly share with you yung picture ko sa photo booth. Ayan siya. Look at that. So beautiful. 'Cause I don't